got a call about a hit and run. This lady was in tears calling me, and it looked as if the bulldog was unconscious on the side of the road, very close to a roundabout.
Hello. It's okay. It's okay, baby. Good puppy. Stay there.
So now we're on our way with the baby, the poor pup, to the vets, and praying it's nothing serious. Being a poor country, where most people struggle hugely, they won't even take their child to the doctors because they can't afford it. So why should they think about an animal? And we say, look, you have a voice, but the animal doesn't. And every single one of us are the voices of the voiceless. She appears okay, no broken legs. However, internal hemorrhage is always a concern. So he's keeping her for now. Okay, baby, you'll be fine. D'accord. Shukran. My name is Salima Kadawi. Yeah, I've got a sanctuary, but also we rescue animals in distress. Animal welfare doesn't exist in Morocco. And I promised myself as a child that I would change my country. So I started the project Hayat, which is to treat, neuter, vaccinate, tag, and put the dogs back in their territories. By tagging the dogs, they know that they don't have rabies, they're vaccinated, they're not in danger of catching rabies, which is a big issue because we do have rabies in Morocco. This is a sanctuary. All of these are my babies. Some of these dogs have been through hell, and you would never know. They're such happy babies. We have 500 dogs now in the sanctuary, which is crazy. I got over 100 cats, 40-something donkeys, 2 wild boars, 8 sheep, 2 goats, a mule, an ape, birds with amputated wings. So it's a lot of work, but it's so worth it. So worth it. They're all amazing. They all got their own personality. All they want is love. Don't you? And your treats, of course. Yeah. Now look. Somebody has abandoned. Well, at least they brought him to the clinics, but look at this poor kitten. Extremely sick. Just put at the door there. Our vet will examine him. If something can be done, it will be done. But I don't think I think it's got cat flu's gone really, really bad here. I'm so sorry, my darling. I'm so sorry. He's got a broken jaw as well, like. Oh, you poor thing. I'm so sorry. You must have been in agony for ages. It's heartbreaking, and no matter how often you see it, it breaks the heart. But we've got to stop the suffering. He should be fast asleep in a minute, and then he can give an injection to stop a heartbeat. Animal rescue is up and down. You save lives, it's like, yes. But each time you can't save lives, it's heartbreaking. I'm just getting messages from volunteers telling me to go now to the Merkala, which is on the coast, because the dog killers are there. And they're there trying to kill strays that don't have a tag. So I'm going to try and get there as quickly as possible. If they've caught any strays, we will get them. It's a nightmare because it's hell. It's hell. Morocco have been killing dogs for forever, and it makes me feel sick. So I don't think it's a good idea you take a camera. The guy in the blue jeans is a dog killer. Hi Paco! Paco, Paco, agora é! Fico no pedreiro. As a precaution, to killing dogs, and I'm scared they leave a bit of poison, picking up my tagged dogs and try and catch the untagged dogs too. Absolutely worn out. It's a bloody joke. It really is a bloody joke. So, picked up 4 of the tagged dogs and 2 untagged dogs that we saved from the culling, taking them to the safety house. But it's not enough. So many will die. And it's unacceptable. Unacceptable. Little man, where are you? Rama? Let's go to bed. Come on, go to bed. First thing down. You've got your water, you've got your food, you've got your beds. Sleep tight. I love what I do. It's my passion. I promised myself as a child that would change the situation of the strays. We've got the battle half won because the community, more and more and more, doing everything to protect the strays. Unfortunately, the culling is still going on. I keep getting messages all the time of people absolutely devastated. Here's one. He's saying, they've killed the dogs of my neighborhood. Why? Why, Salima, why? This is just one of the messages that we received today. We get so many. Call the authorities, the municipality. They've thrown poison. You see, they've got dead dogs in it. Innocent, precious souls. Innocent, precious soul that's been killed, picked up as if she was trash, dumped in the vehicle. It's a heck of a battle. And sometimes you tell yourself, give up. But no way, you can't give up. You've got to keep fighting. This is a war. And we've won many battles, and we lost many battles. But in the end, we will win, because good always wins in the end. I've invested everything I had for my sanctuary and for this project. And when I mean everything, I mean including my health. But I will carry on. And I will carry on, and I will carry on until I die. And hopefully, before I die, I will achieve what needs to be achieved. And it's for humans and animals to live in harmony. We've received an emergency case, a poor baby, shivering like mad, poor dog. So we're gonna go now. Hopefully we'll find him. It is a race against time. Every dog that we catch and has a tag, we've saved him from the culling. Every dog without a tag could be killed. A sick dog like that, if the municipality goes by, they won't hesitate. They'll just go immediately and put him, inject him with poison. Okay. So apparently the poor dog was left on that mattress. Hey, baby. Hello, my darling. Come on. Upsy daisies. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, my darling. Mommy's here to rescue you. Come on. Try and get you all better. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh. You're not making it easy for yourself, are you? You're heavy enough for Mummy as it is. Come on. He will be okay. He will get tested for leishmania, get tested for tick fevers and all of that, and he will be treated. This could be mange, and it could also be, because in some parts it's quite swollen, it could have some sort of skin allergy. Dr. Lahrish will examine him correctly and give us a full diagnosis of the problem.
Oh yes, there are some here. That's my husband and my 3 daughters, and this is Sally with her sister and her husband, my mother. My name's Karen, I'm Sally's mother. When she was, I think 8 or 9, she used to go to the English vet clinic in Tangier, and she would help him to operate on animals. And also they brought a lot of kittens and puppies to be put down. And she would hold everyone and stroke it until it died. And then she'd come home and sob her heart out. And I would say, please don't do it anymore. Mummy, she used to say, they need to know somebody loves them before they die. She sacrifices everything. She actually has no life, no personal life, because her life is SFT, the animals.
We're going to go and check on the tag dogs that live in this park. Hello, babies. Oh, yeah, you're very scary. Hello, my puppy. Hello, my puppy. The high point of tagging a dog is, you know, you've saved his life. He'll be accepted by the community and looked after by the community. The low point is every dog that is not tagged, he's at risk of being killed. Hello. Hello, hi Melvin. Hello, my boy. Hello, my boy. Hello. It's my dream come true as a child. You wouldn't imagine this. 10 years ago, when I started, people thought I was crazy. But it is a battle. We still have a long way to go, but good always wins in the end. So we may not save all of them of today, but we will for tomorrow, that's for sure.